Hello friends, today I came up with a new update. So basically update is Google is testing a post button uh, in Google business profile. So you can see here one post button in Google profile. So this is in test mode, not yet to live. So uh, there is also one new button, edit button is also is here, you can see in image. So basically the typically those buttons would be above the listing. So in previously these two button was above the listing, but to manage the uh, local business profile. But I think in new edit new interface, I guess Google is testing placing post and edit in bar. So here you can see that in bar you can see post and edit button. So this is one uh, new feature of Google for Google local listing. So but this is in testing mode, not at live. So friends, this is my today update. So thank you. I will come next day with one new update. Thank you.